Hello everyone. Through this video we are going to discuss the concept of inverse proportions. So what does the term inverse proportion mean? Two quantities x and y, these two quantities x and y are said to be in inverse proportion if there exists a relation of the type xy is equal to k. That means when x increases, y should decrease, k being any constant such that in such a situation what happens, x1 by x2 is equal to y2 by y1. From this relation only it is clear that when x increases, y should decrease, means inversely related they are. So here in this case, from this step we can directly get this result, x1 y1 is equal to x2 y2 equals to k. So on this basis we are going to solve the questions of exercise 13.2. So here goes exercise 13.2. The first question, what the first question says, which of the following are in inverse proportion? Number 1, the number of workers on a job and the time to complete the job. Number 1, the number of workers on a job and the time to complete the job. So in this case we get that when the number of workers increases, means this part when increase, then the time required will of course be less, yes or no? So with lesser number of workers to complete the job, we shall require more time. So very clearly the relation in it implies a inverse proportional relation. So this gives us the result for inverse proportionality. In the second case, the second question stands for what? The time taken for a journey, the time taken for a journey and the distance traveled in a uniform speed. Distance traveled in uniform speed. So in this case what happens, time and distance are covered in direct proportion. So this is a direct proportion. So this direct proportionality. When speed is more, distance is more. So in that case it is direct proportionality. After that we shall be having area of cultivated land and the crop harvested. It is also a direct proportion because more are of cultivated land will be giving us more crops. Means when in this case when crop is required, more crop is required, for that we shall require more land. Therefore this is a direct proportion. Similarly the remaining sums can also be done. So third answer is a direct proportion. After that, coming to question number 2, what is given here? In a television game show, the prize money of rupees 1 lakh is to be divided equally amongst the winners. Complete the following table and find whether the prize money given to an individual winner is directly or inversely proportional to the number of winners. So here in this case, the table given is like this: number of winners, that is the first row, 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20. Then prize for each winner, in rupees. In rupee, it will be, for the first case it is 1 lakh. Then after, in the second case, it is 50,000. So of course half the rest of the things we are to determine. So how can we calculate? So what is given here? The number of winners and the prize money are in inverse proportion, because winners are increasing, prize money is decreasing. Yes or no? So therefore we shall write what here: the number of winners and their prize money are in inverse proportion, because the winners number is increasing, and at the same time the prize money is decreasing. Therefore what we shall write next: when the number of winners is 4, each winner will get how much money? It is 1 lakh to be divided by 4. The result will come as rupees 25,000. So when the number of winners is 5, each winner will get how much? 1 lakh should be divided by 5, and the result will become 20,000. Then when the number of winners is 8, each winner will get 1 lakh divided by 8. The amount will come like 12,500. Then after, when the number of winners is 10, each winners will get this 1 lakh is to be divided by 10, and then we shall be getting rupees 10,000 in each case. Then when the number of winners is 20, the result to be obtained is like this: this 1 lakh by 20, it is rupees 5,000. So, and with these values the table can be filled in. So these are the answers. Question number 3 can be done in the same way. Next, we shall proceed to the next number. Question number 4. In question number 4, what is given? if a box of sweets is divided among 24 children, they will get 5 sweets each. How many would each get if the number of children is reduced by 4? So in this case, since each child number of sweets obtained by each child is 5, therefore 24 children will get how many sweets? 5 into 24. The result will be 120 sweets. Now if the number of children is reduced by 4, then number of children left will be how many? From 24, if we reduce 4, total left will be 20. So each child will get now how many sweets? Total 120 sweets is to be divided by 20, and then we shall be getting 6. So 6 sweets each will get. This can be done in this using this formula also, or x1 y1 is equal to x2 y2. Actually in place of x1 we are writing suppose number of sweets, and y1 is the number of children. So in this case number of children is what? 24, and here in this case number of sweets is not known to us, and the decreased number of children is 20. So what will be value of x2? 5 into 24 by 20. So it will be 5 4 ja 20, 4 6 ja. So this result is 6. So that is how this can be done. The next sum can be done in the same way. Question number 5 is in the same way, can be completed. So with this video comes to the end. Thank you.